everyone, it's Gina. I went into the Dollar Tree the other day and look what I found, a whole display of these. I was really excited and I asked them, I thought these were just for summer. Are you going to have them year round? And they said yes, so I was really happy. So I decided to make some beautiful fall lanterns using these Dollar Tree solar lights and Dollar Tree items. So if you like this video, please click down below and don't forget to subscribe because I'm starting to make Halloween and holiday items too. So let's go, let's get started. Here are some beautiful fall lanterns made from Dollar Tree items. I found these great metal buckets from Dollar Tree, drilled holes in the bottom, and painted them with metallic paint. I like to leave a little bit of the blue showing through so it looks like a patina. I also painted the solar light with the same metallic paint. After the paint is dry, I sponged it with metallic gold on both the bucket and the solar lights. I found these great rocks at the Dollar Tree and I hot glued them all around the rim of the container. I just love using natural elements in all of my designs. Look how pretty it looks. Add hot glue to the bottom center of the vase and add the solar light. Hold it stable until the glue cools. Fill the container with Dollar Tree rocks. This will help to hold the lantern down and make it easy to hold flowers. Aren't these beautiful? I love the way they came out. I have always wanted to make an industrial lamp, and I'm going to show you how I made it. Cut strips of black craft foam. I cut 2 3/4 inch wide strips, 4 1/2 inch wide strips, and 1 1 inch wide strip. These all fit perfectly on the mason jar I got from the Dollar Tree. Paint with bronze acrylic paint. I like to have some of the black showing to give the rustic metallic look. Cut to fit one of the larger strips around the mason jar. And glue with white craft glue. Secure with rubber bands and let dry. Glue the thinner strips around the mason jar. Secure all the strips with rubber bands and let dry. I love taking off the rubber bands once it's dry to see what it looks like. Hot glue rivets onto the lantern to give it an industrial look. Hot glue the 1 inch strip onto the solar light to give it a handle. Add leaves or other fall accents to make a beautiful autumn display. Here's another one of my fall lanterns using Dollar Tree items. Paint the lantern with gold metallic paint. Paint leaves from the Dollar Tree with gold paint. I also painted a flower. Cut a piece of floral foam to fit into the bottom of the container, and hot glue to secure. I found this beautiful fall ribbon at the Dollar Tree. the ribbon to the vase with a hot glue gun. Attach raffia for a harvest look. Attach the leaves and the flower to complete your stunning fall design. Here's another one of my autumn designs using clear gems from the Dollar Tree. Paint the solar light with bronze acrylic paint. You can also paint fall leaves from the Dollar Tree with bronze acrylic paint. I also like to paint the raffia. Attach the leaves to the inside of the vase with craft glue. Pour a bag of clear gems into the vase. Place the solar light into the vase and accent it with a fall ribbon. Add fall flowers inside the vase. Paint the rim of the vase with metallic bronze paint. Wrap the brown raffia around the bottom of the vase to give it a beautiful special look. This fall decoration is so easy and so much fun to make. I used double-sided tape to position the leaves around the vase so I knew where I wanted them to be. I used craft glue to secure. Then add a bead to the vein of the leaf using a hot glue gun. Place a painted solar light inside along with fall flowers. Isn't this beautiful? I just love this design. Thanks for watching. Till next time. Bye!